Hey there, tech enthusiasts, welcome back to AI Deals Today. Today, we're diving into the world of iPhone tracking apps, the ones that make it easier to monitor, secure, or keep tabs on your loved ones' devices. Whether it's for parental control, employee monitoring, or personal security, I've got you covered with the top 6 tracking apps for iPhones. Let's get started. Number 1. XnSpy. First on our list is XnSpy, a powerhouse when it comes to tracking iPhones. XnSpy offers advanced features like real-time location tracking, call monitoring, and even remote access to text messages and emails. It's an excellent choice for parents keeping an eye on their kids' online safety. XnSpy key features and details. Number 1. Call monitoring. Access detailed call logs, including timestamps and call durations. Number 2. Text message tracking. You can view sent, received, and even deleted messages. Number 3. GPS location tracking. Monitor real-time location and set up geofencing alerts. Number 4. Social media monitoring. Track activity on platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram. Number 5. Media file access. XnSpy allows access to photos, videos, and even screenshots taken on the device, making it easy to keep tabs on saved or shared media. Number 2. CocoSpy. Next up is CocoSpy, a versatile app that works seamlessly on iPhones. CocoSpy specializes in social media monitoring, including platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, and Snapchat. It also tracks location and call history. CocoSpy key features and details. Number 1. Call tracking. Monitor call logs with details like contact names, timestamps, and call durations. Number 2. Social media monitoring. Get access to messages and activities on apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, and Snapchat. Number 3. GPS tracking. View location history and set geofence alerts. Number 4. Browser history tracking. Monitor internet activity in real time. Number 3. Spyic Pro. Third on our list is Spyic Pro, a well-known name in phone monitoring. Spyic Pro offers features like geofencing, live location tracking, and access to iMessages without any hassle. Spyic Pro is ideal for people who want detailed reports and seamless tracking. It's perfect for both parents and small business owners. Spyic Pro key features and details. Number 1. SMS and call logs. Detailed reports on sent, received, and deleted messages. Number 2. Social media tracking. Keep an eye on activities on popular platforms like Instagram, Snapchat, and more. Number 3. GPS and Wi-Fi tracking. Track location through GPS and connected Wi-Fi networks. Number 4. Media file access. This app allows access to photos, videos, and even screenshots taken on the device, making it easy to keep tabs on saved or shared media. Number 4. Spystealth. Moving on, we have Spystealth. As the name suggests, this app focuses on being discreet. It works in stealth mode, ensuring the person being tracked doesn't know the app is installed. This makes Spystealth a great choice for more sensitive situations where confidentiality is key. However, use it responsibly. Spystealth key features and details. Number 1. Call and SMS tracking. Access to all call logs and text messages, including deleted ones. Number 2. Media file access. This app allows access to photos, videos, and even screenshots taken on the device, making it easy to keep tabs on saved or shared media. Number 3. Social media monitoring. Track Facebook, Instagram, and more without rooting. Number 4. GPS tracking. View location history and set geofence alerts. Number 5. Spybubblepro. Next, we have Spybubblepro, a user-friendly app that packs a punch with features like multimedia file access, web browsing history, and location tracking. If you're looking for a versatile app that's easy to set up and navigate, Spybubblepro is a fantastic pick. Spybubblepro key features and details. Number 1. Call and text tracking, comprehensive call logs, and SMS tracking. Number 2. Keylogger, record keystrokes to monitor typed messages. Number 3. Social media monitoring, access activities on platforms like WhatsApp, Snapchat, and more. Number 4. Media file access. Spybubble allows access to photos, videos, and even screenshots taken on the device, making it easy to keep tabs on saved or shared media. Number 5. Browser history monitoring. View all web activity with detailed timestamps. Number 6. Umobix. And finally, Umobix takes the spotlight as a comprehensive iPhone tracking app. With real-time updates, detailed reporting, and robust social media monitoring, Umobix is one of the best all-rounders. Umobix is perfect for parents or employers who want to cover all bases. Its interface is clean, and the performance is rock-solid. Umobix key features and details. Number 1. Social media access. Monitor all popular apps, including WhatsApp and TikTok. Number 2. Call logs and text messages. Access detailed records of all communications. Number 3. Location tracking. Real-time GPS tracking with route history. Number 4. Media file access. View all photos and videos stored on the device. So, there you have it, our top picks for the best iPhone tracking apps. Remember, these tools are powerful, so always use them ethically and responsibly. Let me know in the comments which app you're planning to try, or if you have a favorite I didn't mention. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.